Hey guys, welcome in today. Happy art day to you guys. Some paper snowflakes today. 3D paper snowflake. 3D paper snowflakes I've seen all over the place, everywhere. There are so many cool, awesome, inspiring designs out there. So I'm gonna get us started with just one easy one. I got 2 sheets of paper. You can use whatever kind of colored paper you want, or just plain white sheet is what I'm gonna do first. So you fold one corner all the way over to the other, and not all the way down to that corner, just kind of match it up straight on the side so we can get like a giant triangle up here as close as you can. Does not have to be perfect. And then you push that sealed edge.
And then we want to trim this piece off. So I'm gonna cut that and I'll go through that real quick.
Okay, awesome. Then you want to fold this just one more time, which is still pretty normal.
Paper snowflakes. And then from here, where it gets a little bit tricky, there's a couple different ways that you can do it. But
what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it and fold it kind of like I guess like an upside down L this way. And then bend it over a little bit, twist it over, and I'm gonna do one cut. I have a pretty thick scissors, 2 cuts, and just another one right in here. They do not have to be perfect. They do not have to be even. I kind of start with a little bit longer, and then a little bit shorter, and then a little bit shorter by the time it gets there. And then you can open it up, smush that down, and this is kind of where you need your tape.
I always find it's best to get like a bunch of pieces. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4.
Then I have all my tape right away. So you can take that middle part of it and kind of press it over itself. Tape that. A little bit trickier for my younger kids, but you can press that over. So we got that piece, and then you want to flip it over.
That's where it gets a little bit tricky.
And then do the same thing back and forth. You kind of alternate on each side so that in the end, it'll kind of look 3D. So now I did this way, now I'm gonna flip back and I'll go through that real quick. Okay, cool. How awesome does that look? So now we take that and times it by 6. So now you can
Pick any colors that you want. You can keep it white, or you can do alternating colors or different colors all throughout. So I'm gonna take this.
my magical powers and turn it into 6, just like.
Bam!
There they are. So I got a whole bunch of them now. Now the fun part, we get to attach each of these, and you can just do that with a stapler that you can push each of them together, and I will do that just like. There it is. Had to boom my camera all the way up here. There's a whole bunch of different options and ideas that you can do, and you kind of search up and fill up your whole entire house. You can pretend you're kind of Buddy the Elf and filling up your ceiling and everything are in your classroom. So hopefully you guys had fun with this. As always, I am Mr. Shooty. This is Mr. Shooty's Art Channel. We'll talk to you guys later.